Hi, I'm going to show you quickly how to make your own baby picture and baby video with audio. And I just learned how to do this a few hours ago, so I wanted to show you quickly how to do it. First, I'll show you an example of what I did. It makes me so happy. Okay, so this is my sister-in-law, Angel. That's the picture we did with her, and there's an audio to it, but I won't show that. Let's see what else I'll show. This is my mom as a baby. And then I'll show my brother. Oh, he's so cute. I can't take it. He's so cute. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that picture and also add video and audio to it. So I will share. First, you're gonna go to ChatGPT and you're going to say, you're gonna upload a picture. So I can upload. Hopefully Julie won't mind me making a baby picture out of her. She's one of our students. Okay, Julie, I'll say make a baby picture of Julie uh, from this scene. And you could say something like, as if it's a podcast studio, or as if she is surfing, or as you can tell it what you want it to do. And it's going to make a still picture. This one is doing like a two versions of it. So we'll see which two it does. And this does it for like quality control sometimes. It does take a moment, at least on mine. So it takes a moment to kind of little by little reveal it. But this is because ChatGPT, the 4.0 version, now has the ability to just create images. And I will say that when I try to do like a thumbnail or something on it, it doesn't do a great job of like taking a real picture and making a real picture. But it'll do stuff like this and even give it like skin and hair. So let's see what it's going to say for Julie. Let's see what it says. Okay. So I gave her glasses. Remember, this is the picture we're starting with. And I gave her glasses. Oh, I think I like the one on the right because it's a little bit more like exuberant and cheeky and stuff, but they're both so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, the one on the right kind of changed a little bit for me. So let's just say, okay, let's say the one on the right, I prefer this response. And you do this with your picture. So do it with your picture or your friend or your family members and surprise them with it. So now I'm going to download that. Actually, going to download it. And now it is downloaded. I'm going to give it a name so I can find it again. Julie test or Julie baby, I should call it. Okay, so now I have that. I am going to I'm going to go here and I'm going to say, normally what you would do is you would find audio that is of the person. And do this for your friends and family. Don't do this for like strangers, you know. I would say, hi, I'm baby Julie. I hope it's okay with adult Julie that I'm doing this for a test. Arlan says, what's up? Now, let's see what happens when I do that. I'm going to copy that because it looks like it's doing a little something here. But I'm in an 11labs.io. I do have a paid account. I'm going to say, Rachel, let's just see what it sounds like. See how.
Hi, I'm baby Julie. I hope it's okay with adult Julie that I'm doing this for a test. Arlan says, what's up?
Okay, so I'm going to download that. And again, I'm doing this pretty fast. You could really have your own voice. You could have a clone voice. You could have that person's voice and clone it or use the exact audio from what they said. You can do all of that in 11 Labs. And I'm just trying to figure out where to download it because I can't see my full screen. Give me a sec. Okay, so I'm going to push this download button. It's downloaded it because it's pretty fast, pretty short. I will.
Hi, I'm baby Julie. I hope it's okay with adult Julie that I'm doing this for a.
Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna give this a name. Stop the share so I can save this very quickly. Because on mine, I have to do all this like figuring out. So text to speech. Let's see if we find it. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do. Second. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, as I'll share the screen again, I'm going to go to, so I was at 11 Labs. I was at ChatGPT for the picture, 11 Labs for the audio, and then hedra.com for the video. I'm going to take that frame, upload the image that we found. And I'm just doing this for privacy, so I'm going to just upload that image real quick, but you just find the image that you had. We have baby Julia. Then I'm going to upload the audio, and that one is, I believe it's this one. Hopefully it's that one. And then I'll show you here what that looks like when you click the audio. So the right here was the video picture, here's the audio, and then it brings this up. I don't need to edit it. So I did the picture here, the audio there, and then I'm going to say, make her talk like she's being interviewed. Okay, and then I'm going to do that. Now, when you do this, if you have a free version, which I have a paid version, if you have a free version, it'll go into queued indefinitely. It may take minutes or hours to get queued. If you pay for it, it'll go faster. It's not going to be immediate, but it'll go faster. Hopefully, because this is a quick clip, it won't take too long, but it'll be queued for a little bit here, and then it'll say something like 45%, and then it'll do the whole thing. So while it's doing that, and you can see this whole process, this is how many credits I have. I could probably make another 80 videos based on the math that I did. I did it as 16.9. You can do it like this for like a reel, or you can do it like a square. Right now it's just a 16.9. I probably would have done a different one if I remembered. But while it's doing that, I'm going to go back over to ChatGPT and just show you how it looked, just to remind you. Uploaded a picture, and Julie, I'll show this to you first before I post it. But you upload a picture. This is a picture I have of Julie is because she is in my YouTube studio and we're making thumbnails for her. We already started. And then I said, make a baby picture of Julie from this scene. That's all I had to say to ChatGPT for it to know what I meant. And then it made this baby picture, which on its own would be cute enough. And if you didn't like this, you could say, again, but um, more girly clothes. I don't know why I'm saying that. Clothing and even more accurate. Let's just see what it does. It's not going to like, you know, change the world with these pictures. It's doing the best it can. So it's basically like creating the closest thing to it, because you see like Julie's face is more angular, and I would imagine her baby face was a little bit more angular. But I love that it has the glasses and the little wispy hair. It makes me so happy. And those cheeks, like, what are you going to do, right? So it's making another one. It's making a little bit more angular. I can already tell. Let's see. Is it any different? Okay, we have that one. And then we have this one. Oh, okay. It's the girly clothes. Okay, I'm definitely surprising myself right now. It's just so cute. It just, if you need like a refresh, something, a palate cleanser for the world, do this, because it'll just make you like humanity more. I'm wondering if I'm signed in. I think I am signed in, but it's taking a little longer than it normally had been. But this is during peak hours. I was doing this like at midnight. So this is during peak hours, right in the middle of the afternoon. It is going to take a little time, but for what it is, it's no time, right? So this one is going. I have other tabs open, depending on how fast your computer computes and how fast the server is, will determine this. So this one will eventually continue to do it. It actually might say that there is an error because I went back and forth. It did this to me yesterday with another picture, but since we don't need it, it's okay. So look, it's saying there's an error. It's not showing it. Yep. So I'd have to do it again. But just showing you while we wait. Okay. Generating 60%, so we'll be done in just a moment. Exciting. And hopefully I uploaded the right audio script, which when they say audio script, what they mean is that audio file. So I created that audio file in 11 Labs. You can use HeyGen if you want to do another version of this that's even more like advanced, but it costs a lot of money. It's very expensive, in my opinion. It's just my letting you know, but HeyGen can do dubbing and all kinds of things. Okay, let's see what it does.
Hi, I'm baby Julie. I hope it's okay with adult Julie that I'm doing this for a test. Arlan says, what's up?
One more time.
Hi, I'm baby Julie. I hope it's okay with adult Julie that I'm doing this for a test. Arlan says, what's up?
And there you go. You just learned how to do it in just a few minutes. Go have fun with it. Remember that some of it is free, some of it is paid. You want to get people's permission. I'm going to get Julie's permission if you sing this. She gave me her permission. And you want to do this for people you know. You could even turn it into a little side hustle because people are not going to want to learn all this. And you could say, hey, I'll do it for $10. I'll make a baby video for you, and just have a little fun with it. So let me know what you do with this, even if it's just for your own entertainment and own fun.